In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable pages on your Squarespace website. Now, this is key because you can keep those pages there without deleting them and make sure they're not showing up live for Google or site visitors. If we haven't met, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. And if you're following along with my pre launch checklist, welcome back. If you don't have that Squarespace pre launch checklist yet, I'll drop a link below so you can grab it. All right, let's dive in. I'm here in my scribe template for authors. So if you have purchased a template or perhaps you started with one of the Squarespace free templates, under pages, there are probably some pages here that you may not be using yet. And maybe you don't want to delete them. Maybe you want to keep them around just in case they'll come in handy later. Well, you don't want to just leave them here because if you do that, they can show up for someone who finds you on Google. Google actually crawls all the pages on your website that are live, including ones that you may not really be using. So, to make sure that those don't show up for Google, don't show up for site visitors, we're going to disable the pages. And it's actually really simple. So let's say that you're not going to use the Instagram link in bio page right now. That's something you're going to come back to later once you set up Instagram. All you have to do for any page you want to disable is click the cog icon to the right of that page and then toggle off enable page. Once you do, that green goes away so you can see that it's toggled off. And you'll notice here disabled pages can't be accessed by your site visitors. And then you'll hit save. Now, once you do that, you'll notice that that page is grayed out. It still exists and it's here on the back end, but in fact, it was in this drop down menu when it was enabled, but now it's disappeared from the drop down menu. So it still exists here on the back end of Squarespace, but it is disabled for anyone else who is not logged into the back end of your website. So, again, a really easy way to keep those pages around just in case you might use them later and prevent them from showing up for Google search or site visitors to your Squarespace website. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop a comment below as that helps other people find my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.